Good morning, students. Today we are going to start here this NCERT math. All of you see this textbook, this Math Magic NCERT math book. This book available in school. All of you take this book. See, in this NCERT math, this first chapter is where to look from. Where to look from. Our teacher told us to draw a picture of car. Teacher told us to draw a picture of this car. We all drew this car differently. Next day when we showed our pictures to each other, then we were very excited. But Anshul started laughing. Why? He was looking at Dheeraj drawing of a car. See this Dheeraj drawing of a car. Anshul said, it's like only a small box kept in a bigger one. It like a small box and kept like in a bigger one. Then Anshul showed his drawing to Dheeraj. Both of them drew the picture of this same car, but drawings look like different. This picture is same car, but drawing is different. Anshul and Dheeraj. Dheeraj said he had looked at the car from the terrace. Do you think his funny drawing is right? Have you looked at this from different sides? See this picture. Look at the picture drawn here, and how does this table look from the side? Look from the side means this top part. This table, top part of this side is this picture. See here. Some pictures are drawn below again. Imagine how these things will look if you seen from the top. This first one, pressure cooker. Pressure cooker, will they look like this? Top part, like this type. Second one, this chappal, this top part. This picture also top part, see here. And this cupboard, this top part. This flat surface, see this. A cat is peeping into. This cat is. Here is a one classroom. In this classroom, some students are here. Cat is peeping into the classroom. Can you help her find out where the teacher is? Here are some pictures, and find out from where you have to look to see the things this way. Staircase here, staircase, table here, staircase, then chair, pencil, where is pencil? You find out these things. Draw the top views of few things and ask your friends to guess what they are. Draw these top views, only top views. Here are some few things given, and you write here, draw here only the top views. Next one, page number C, Rangoli. Have you ever made a Rangoli? My friend Minakshi makes a beautiful flower pattern. See this Rangoli flower patterns. I am a Minakshi. I belong to in Tamil Nadu, and we will make these column patterns every morning. These column patterns Rangoli, they are made by using these dots. You can also try and use the dots given below to make patterns. Two examples have been drawn here. Here some dotted Rangoli is given here, and use draw here. This same Rangoli you draw here in front of this Rangoli by using these dots. Next one also, here Rangolis, you see these Rangolis and you draw here. Then see this Here next one, use the dot grid given below, draw your own designs and shapes. You draw your own designs and your own design and shape. Then third one, complete these figures to make here squares and rectangles. Here only half figure is given, then you complete this. Here some squares and rectangles, then you complete these figures. Next one, see, on the dot grid given below, draw the following. Here some examples given, and here by using these dots you draw here kite draw, leaf, flower, star and a boat. Then see next one, one day Amina met a painter. Girl's name Amina. One day Amina met a painter. Can you make my picture? Painter said, yes, sure. I charge ₹200 for it. After a while the painter showed her the picture. See this picture. See picture only half. Amina, how do you like it? But this is only half picture. He drew only this half picture. The other half is exactly the same. So just put a mirror to get the complete picture. Now can I have my money? Amina gave him ₹100 note because he drew here only half picture. Full picture this ₹200 charge, but he drew here only half picture. Therefore he gave him only ₹100 notes. But this is only half the money. The other half is exactly the same. So just put a mirror next to the note and to get the full money. Ha ha ha. This Amina said, you gave him ₹100 note. This Amina gave to a painter only ₹100 note. And painter said, this is only half the money. Then Amina said, the other half is exactly the same. So just put a mirror next to the note and to get the full money. The painter had made some pictures in which he drew only one half of the things. See here many pictures here. He drew only half of these things. Draw the other half of these pictures and find out what these things are. Then you draw here these half parts. This mirror image means this same as this next part. Identical here, same exactly part of this next one part. You draw here. Can we repeat this, the painter's trick, while drawing the picture of this following? Here mirror hall. Look at the pictures given below. Does the dotted line divide each picture into two similar mirror halves? See here mirror halves. Here one picture look like as similar to another picture. See this one, this exactly similar, this also exactly identical, this picture exactly identical, no, this picture exactly identical, yes. Then this one also similar here, this one similar, no, this similar, this one part is exactly similar to another part. Then this also similar, this part similar, no, this part no, this exactly similar one part to another part, this also similar. Then see this next one picture, this also similar here, this also exactly similar, then this similar, no, this also exactly identical. Again give some more examples. Again you draw in this type pictures and you show here this exactly similar of this picture. Then see next one, use a dotted line Can you divide the following pictures into two similar walls? Here see this comb, then you middle point, do this in this type and make this similar. In this similar, exactly similar to another part. Here in middle part you do in this type, this also scissor middle type you do in this type. This exactly, this first figure is exactly similar to another part. You have book, then you do this. Book not have, then you take fast this book, otherwise you draw this picture in your notebook and make exactly similar. Okay, then next one, can you guess these letters from their hall? Here have letters given, here have letters given and exactly similar you draw these letters. Okay, this remaining part tomorrow.